Hi, Liz here from Pilates with Liz. We're going to do the ab series. There's 5 exercises in the ab series. We're going to do the first exercise, which is single leg stretch. Come up to the top part of your mat. We would have just done rolling like a bull, taking your left hand underneath your right knee. Your right hand is by your right ankle, and articulate down slowly until you get to the shoulder blades. Take that left knee out at a high diagonal and pull in that right knee as you exhale. Inhale, switch, and exhale as you pull the knee in. Let's do each one slow again. Exhale, inhale, switch, exhale. Let's speed it up. Single leg stretch. Keep going. You're pulling the abs in and up, looking into those abs and drawing the shoulder blades away. Let's do one more on the right, one more on the left. Hug those knees in and lower everything down. Hands underneath knee creases and rock up. And that was single leg stretch.